I feel like bees play an essential role. They're not just honey producers. They are also pollinators, which play a critical role in the reproduction of crops and plants. And I feel like I gained from this trip a deeper understanding and a perspective on how agriculture and biodiversity all depend on each other.
Bees today are suffering from its ability to survive due to the climate change and the environmental abuse. This threatens the food security and the biodiversity. At the same time, the beekeepers and the small producers, especially in the rural area, are suffering from the limitation to the access to the market, to the innovation, to the sustainable income. Therefore, in PLANBEE, we are focusing in bee economy as an integrated model that link the environmental solution with the business development.
The native plant species can support bees because they evolve together over time. So these native species can provide the right quality of pollens and nectar to those native bees population so they can survive. We have a guided tour to learn more about bees and their life cycle. You will find 3 educated house bees. The first one, to know the medicinal value of bees product. The second, you can explore the bee life cycle. And the third, you will see a bee museum. Educating your children about bees and native plant species is very important to build an early relationship with the children and the environment, so they will feel a more responsible feeling toward nature, and also they will learn sustainable practices for the future.
Our main beneficiary are the beekeepers, especially small-scale producer in a rural area, and we also focusing in entrepreneur women who working in bee economy. We have initiative called Meet the Queen Bee. We encourage women and young people to see bee economy as a promising opportunity and a promising career life. This will help them to have sustainable income for their families.
شايفينها هاي أكبر واحدة، هاي هي الملكة.
ساعدني المشروع على تطوير الأفكار وإيجاد أفكار جديدة، بحيث أنه ساعدت على تحسين خبرتي وتحسين جودة المنتج، الذي ساعد في تعزيز المنافسة التسويقية وانتشار منتجاتي في الأسواق. تربية النحل عبارة عن مشروع منتج ومجدي جدا للأسرة وللعائلة. ساعدتني على إنتاج أكثر من نوع من منتجات خلية النحل: العسل وغذاء الملكات وحبوب اللقاح والبروبوليس وسم النحل، وهذا ساعد في تحسين مستوى معيشة الأسرة، وأيضا توظيف أفراد الأسرة نفسهم في العمل في هذا المشروع. يعني أصبح مشروع عائلي، بطل مشروع فردي.
One of our beneficiaries also, people work on tourism, as we creating routes for bee experience, where people can walk and see the bee life and the hives and enjoying the experience of the bee. In PLANBEE, we are a consortium of 7 partners from 6 countries, with Cyprus Chamber of Commerce and Industry as a lead partner, and we have Chamber of Commerce of Lebanon, Italy, and Egypt, plus 2 local NGOs from Jordan and Palestine that is led by women. Plus, we have experts from Cyprus, a private sector that is specialized in food industry. We are working for more resilient bee economy business in Jordan, especially for people who's working on small scale now in rural area, and we are dreaming to start exporting their amazing products.
Without bees, our ecosystem will severely affected, and many of plant species and agricultural system will not be survived.